Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to soft reset, so how to force restart your device. So if you've got the situation that the screen did not respond to your touches, it's freezed and you actually cannot do anything, then you can try to soft reset it, because usually if you would like to turn it off, you will just press the power button, hold it until you'll see the screen. But let's pretend that the screen did not respond, so you cannot tap on the power button or reboot. So all you have to do right now is to simply press the power button, but longer. So we will have to ignore everything what will happen on this screen. So let me press the power button and simply keep it pressed until we will see the black screen and until our device will be rebooted. As you can see, right now we've got the developer's logo, so it will take a while, of course, to turn on this device, but actually this is it. This is how to soft reset, how to force restart your device. I hope that the screen will work perfectly after that. So as I said, this is it. This is how to soft reset your Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.